फ्रेंड्स, आज मी तुम्हाला A to Z म्हणून दाखवणार आहे. तर व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक आणि सबस्क्राइब तुम्ही आणि कमेंटही करू शकता. चला मग व्हिडिओला सुरू करूया. A for apple. Ball. C is the cat. 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 D is the dog. Dog. E is the elephant. 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 F is the fish. Fish. G is the grapes. G is the goat. Goat. H is the hen. Hen. I is the ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. J is the joker. Joker. K is the kite. Kite. L is the lion. Lion. M is the monkey. Monkey. N is the nest. Nest. O is the october. October. P is the parrot. Parrot. Q is the queen. Q is the queen. Q is the queen. Queen. R is the rabbit. Rabbit. S is the sun. T is the tiger. Tiger. U is the umbrella. Umbrella. V is the van. W is the watch. Watch. X is the Xmas-ly. Xmas-ly. Y is the yak. Z is the zebra. Zebra. जर तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर तुम्ही लाईक